All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set that we just had done for a customer. Now, this one here is 14 karat gold. All right, this is not gold plated, it's real gold, guys. And you got 10 teeth on the top, 10 on the bottom. All right, it's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth for perfect fit. Check that out. It's beautiful, nicely crafted. It's handmade, guys, made by hand. It's a lot of love that goes into these grills from Bling Cartel, guys. You could tell from the craftsmanship. Check that out. I'll show you the back side real quick. So this is the back. They just snap right on the teeth there, okay? And you got your stamp right there. You got 14 carats. Okay, here's the other one. They snap right on the teeth there. You can choose a top or bottom or set. I mean, that's up to you guys. But it is available on their website. Check the link in the description. It takes you right to the product page. All right, well, there it is, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com, handmade, custom fitted grills. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.